Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your overlay on or off in Discord. So with the fresh install of Discord, the overlay is usually set to on, but some people, including myself, don't usually like having it on. So this can be because of personal reasons, like you just find it distracting, or maybe your system doesn't have enough resources to power the overlay. And resource intensive program at the same time. So it's really easy how we can turn it off. All we have to do is go to the user settings button here at the bottom left, then scroll down to game overlay. You can see I've already set it to off, but a new feature Discord has is that you can selectively enable it for some programs. So if we click here, we can see that it gives us a list of programs, and if we would like, we can enable our overlay while using these programs. So there's just that level of granularity and customizability. And yeah, I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.